In this video, I want to show you how to adjust layer transparency in ArcGIS. For example, I have this land use land cover map and I have overlaid it on a base map. For instance, if I want to be able to visualize the two, that is the land use land cover map and the base map at the same time for analysis purpose, that is visual analysis. So how to adjust the layer transparency such that I can visualize the two at the same time. So here is my land use land cover and I've underlaid a base map and also the reference which show me the road network and the name of location. So I can uncheck and check it. So let me uncheck the reference. Now if I want to adjust the layer transparency of this land use land cover, so come to the layer, you want to adjust its transparency. Right click it and come to properties. When it opens, come to display, come under display and come to transparency. So let me bring this here. When you come under transparency, adjust it to percentage, let's say 25% for instance, and click on apply. So you can see the level of transparency. Now if I adjust it to, let's say 50% transparency and click on apply, you can see the level of transparency. Now I can further reduce the transparency, let's say to 75% and click on apply. So you can see as it is now, I am able to, let me close this, to visualize the land use land cover and the base map at the same time. If I uncheck the land use land cover, you can see how the base map look like. This area is essentially built up area, and if I check the land use land cover, you can see that at the same time I can use it to assess the accuracy of my classifications. So area classified as built up actually align with it when I overlay it on base map and adjusted the transparency of the land use land cover layer. So in essence, this is how to adjust the transparency of layer in ArcGIS. And if you want to adjust it furthermore, just right click, open the properties, come under display, and under transparency you adjust it, let's say 85% now, and click on apply. You can see the level of transparency. Now if I want it back to, let's say 50%, I can click it and you see the adjustment. So this is how to adjust the transparency of layer in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.